Hi, this is Charles Lee with Livy Farms. It is in December. Guess what I'm doing? We have so many chicken manure here. So with all these plants, what I'm doing here is I'm fertilizing them with chicken manure. With that, I'm trying to help all my plants. They have been very tirelessly over the last few months to bear fruit for me. So this is the time during the off season where I'm trying to help them, help the body, help the dragon fruit plants to recover. So with the chicken manure, it's definitely gonna help them to build and to recover the plants. So with that, it's gonna be a busy day for me, but this is what I enjoy doing. So you guys, happy growing and cheers.